Hello everyone, Caden Animations here. Today we're going to be reviewing the update of Isle of Glen vale. What is this? Oh, well, nothing new. Okay, oh yeah, they hello, is there any? Huh. Duncan, Smudger is in the game. I regret that. Hold up. Wait a minute, what are we supposed to be doing again? Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, so I don't know where, but maybe there might be a ghost. Maybe. Right here. No points. Okay. Alright, wasn't here. Hello? Okay, Hero of the Rails vibe. Hero of the Rails vibes. Blah, 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 blah. Hero of the Rails vibes. Oh wait, hold up. One biff, one bash, and there's never a crit. Hold up, never a crit. One biff, one bash, and there's never a crack. Why ain't it doing it? Okay, so you can't do it for this. Alright, one biff, one bash, and there's never a crack. Alright, that's really cool. Alright. Where? Oh, where? Could it possibly be? Oh god! Oh goodness! And I'm off. Oh, I'm actually not. Louise. You're dead. This poor tender engine is dead. Hold up, what got added to the game? Alright, we're back in, and yeah, there is an engine, a ghost engine on the front. I don't know who, and I don't know where. And it's really scaring me. Derek. No. There possibly couldn't be someone on the standard gauge line, which means there could be something on the miniature gauge line. Oh wait, no. Smudger. Yes. In Indeed. Oh my god, I spelled indeed wrong. Indeed. Smudger. Yes. Alright, there has to be something. Vale rod. Alright, here we are at the Arlesdale Railway. I meant to say the Vale rod. Oh my goodness, my game's about to crash. Alright, that's better. No. Ow. Louise. A clue. A clue. Maybe that's who the mystery engine is. Oh, where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Who is this? Who is this? You are... What? There's just a random chassis here. Whose chassis is this? There's just a random 040 chassis here. Okay, I'm gonna pretend I never saw that. Ugh, sorry. God, my game's about to explode. Okay. I don't know how to spawn Louise, and I don't think anyone else knows. This is preposterous. Oh, good heavens, what is that? What is this? Beautiful whistle. Where is this from? Okay, yeah, that's terrifying. To spawn the ghost. Wait, does anyone know where to spawn a ghost engine? I mean, I just found it, but... Hey, Mallard, where'd you get that from? This is the Coldy Fell line. Ah, crap. It's looking for Smudger. There's 3 ghost engines. That's a clue. I know where 2 of them are. Where are they at, buddy? Alright, we're going to the Sodor Slate Quarry. Crap. The scrapyard? When has there ever been a scrapyard in the game? Well, when has there ever been a scrapyard in the game? I don't think I'll ever... Maybe... It's in the Blue Mountain Quarry. I've never seen a scrapyard in this game before. There is not. Maybe. Just maybe. So, we know what one of the scrap engines looks like. It looks like the devil. I'm sorry, but I just gotta. This is so tough, guys. Am I right? Alright, anyways, back to what we were actually doing. We need to find clues where these missing engines are. Might be a clue. Follow the path. Wait, what was that? What was that? Follow the whistle. Follow the whistle. Okay, where did that come from? Did that just come out of my crack? I won't destroy it, buddy. I promise you. I'm chill. Smudger, who's there? Smudgy McSmudgington. Smudger. I mean, no. Crud, not Smudger. And Louise. Before she was killed. This is very cool. Weema. There's Smudger. There they are, on the turntable. There he is, the devil. There he is. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna go find clues where these missing engines are. Hold up. Maybe they might be through the buffers. Good golly! Good golly! What is that? That is terrifying. I love that. Okay, thank you for scarring me. Oh, wait a minute. I've another clue. This might be the scrapyard. Oh dear, I'm hearing screams. That can't possibly be it. That was found on a siding. They actually do. Where? And I sure don't. Hey, yo, buddy, answer this question. Oh, good heavens. In the tunnel? In the tunnel. Oh my game. Oh dear, look, they're murdering somebody. He's murdering that tiny blue train. He better put a stop to this. As they take away the blue train into they call HE double hockey sticks. Oh heavens. They're torturing that poor blue train. What shall we do about it? Oh crud, I think I made one of them angry. I don't know if they were talking to me or someone else. But who? But if they were talking to me, they're gonna kill them. I didn't know they had a scrapyard in this game. Like, actually, I didn't know they had one. There's a ghost. The ghost of Nafford. Do you have a map? This is entertaining to watch. Oh, the railway spawners. Where could I possibly have been? I think we found another clue. Oh, the railway spawners. Hide behind the trees. Hide inside the trees, even better. Uh-oh, tags much? Oh, lordy. Wait a minute, all the railway spawners. Where could those possibly? They're going this way. So, they could be on this line. Wait a minute. No. North Creighton Railway. We might be onto something. Wait a minute. What? Okay, hide behind the trees. Yay! So, they might go on either this line or that line. Who knows? Who knows? Well, no. What the crap? What? Okay, I already know where he got that one from. Wait a minute, did he really go? No, he didn't. Wait a minute, could this mean? Old railway spines. They were right here this whole time? Okay, now, alrighty guys, our mystery is solved. Alrighty guys, our mystery is solved. That's gonna be the end of this, video. Bye.